been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. When the morning comes and we see what we've become. In the cold light of day, we're inflaming the wind of the fire that we begun. Every argument, every word we can't take back. Cause with all that has happened, I think that we both know the way that the story ends.
Hey gorgeous, I do want you to be happier. And there's total happiness in this beauty box for you. But first, what's in this beauty box?
A beauty oil, a brush cleaner, a kabuki brush, a blending brush, an eyeliner pencil, an Opulence lipstick, Addiction Palette 4, Splash liquid lipstick, a lash serum, a lash primer, Epic 4D mascara, Epic one-step mascara, a blusher compact, a hydrating primer, rose water toning spritz, your awesome beauty box, and a few other online materials.
Now that you know what's in this beauty box, let's go over 3 reasons why this box is so special. Reason number 1, we call it the kidnapper option. You can buy this box with a $452 value of high-end, high-quality beauty makeup that's backed by science for less than $100 and walk away. You can literally buy the box of makeup and walk away with a huge savings on beauty items. We call that the kidnapper option. Reason number 2. With the purchase of this box comes your very own e-commerce website. What does that mean? That means that all of your beauty needs is 20 to 25% off. That means that your daily mascara, your daily lip gloss, your daily skincare, or maybe even that red lipstick that you wanted to try is 20 to 25% off for a lifetime. And on top of that, there's no obligations at all. No commitments, no contracts, or anything like that. We like to call this the membership option. Reason number 3 as to why this beauty box is so special. If you love the beauty industry and you love to travel and you love to share stuff on the media, then you can turn this beauty box into a full-time or part-time income for you and your family. You can simply take this beauty box and your lifetime discounts and share beauty looks, beauty tips, tricks, host classes, and share information with the world to make as little or as much income as you want. And to top that off, there's no expensive requirements like dusty inventory or auto ships or website fees. Everything you need to run a beauty business is just in this beauty box. Now, what would make you happier? Reason number 1, getting a super smashing deal on almost $500 of makeup for less than $100? Or reason number 2, maybe you're learning makeup, or maybe you're tired of spending hundreds of dollars in these retail stores and not really getting any cash back for it. Maybe you just want a discount. Or reason number 3, maybe you really do love the beauty industry and really want to dabble into bringing in some extra income for your family. No matter the reason, we have an option for you in this beauty box. Now, whoever sent you this video is very interested in what you think about the beauty box and the options you have. So reach out to him or her and let them know, what option are you?